Fixing the error that says there was a problem reading the disk is quite easy, and I'll show you how to fix it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we need to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. The next thing we need to do is we need to ensure that the disk is clean. So we need to clean the disk. Or if you have another disk, you can switch and insert another disk. So you're going to ensure that the disk is clean and you can, before putting it back into the console. If you're still having that problem, then the next thing I'd like you to do is shut down the console, and we're going to boot in safe mode. Now, after the console shuts down, what we want to do is we want to press and hold the power button till we hear 2 beeps, and then we know we're in safe mode. Once the second beep occurs, we release and we connect the controller to the console using the cable. After that, we press the PS button to allow us able to navigate the safe mode. What we want to do from here is we want to clear cache. We go to clear cache, clear cache. After you clear cache, it's going to restart and you come back to safe mode and reboot database. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.